Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to download Adobe Photoshop on our computers. But first of all, you have to have internet on your computer. Now let's start. For you to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your computer, first you have to open Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store is just a version of Android, but on Windows we have Microsoft Store. So just open Microsoft Store. Yes, Microsoft Store is open. Is this a store that we use to download all apps that we want on our computer? So here we'll go on the search button and type in Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, there we go. We have Adobe Photoshop here. Here we have three types of Adobe shops. We have the Adobe Photoshop, we have the Adobe Element, and we have the Adobe Express. In this tutorial we are going to download the Adobe Express, which is free. Adobe Express gives you snap, edit, share, smile. It's free. That Express provide photo magic at your fingertips. Just click on the free. In this window we have a button here called Get. We just click on it and wait for it to download. Depending on the internet that you have, your internet could be slow, so it will take a little bit of time to download. But let me remind you that this Adobe Photo Express is free to install. You don't have to pay anything. It's free for you to install. Just download it and start using it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and also share this channel so that it will get to a lot of people. Thank you for watching.